Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just in this one, it's going to be pretty quick. We're just going to show you how to get your cash back and reinvest back into the AI marketing. So for those who want to just put everything back in, or whether you want to put some back in, up to you. Basically what we're going to do, as I've said in previous videos, once we've waited those pending days, for the cashback, for the cashback to go from pending to the new cashback over here. As you can see, we've already had $42 go into there. What we're going to do is just reinvest that. So we're just going to go down to top up, and instead of any of these options, obviously we're just going to go use cashback. So I'm going to do it right in front of you guys just to show you. So can't do decimals, I think, so it's just going to do 42. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click pay. You can see we've completed successfully. And what will happen is this now goes into your ads balance. So as before, as when you first put in your money, it's going to go into your ads balance for maybe 48 hours or so, something like that. And then it's going to kick over to advertising budget. So this will be 1856 instead in a couple of days. And then, yeah, it's going to add on to that and then increase your ads budget to that sort of extent and ratio of how much extra you're putting in. So that's pretty much it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as we're only new and introducing everyone to this and potentially many more ways to make passive money in the future. So thanks for watching.